Good morning, students. Welcome you all in today's class, 9th Maths. We will continue with the next chapter, real numbers, irrational and irrational numbers. We will discuss about the real numbers. So first of all, we will define the real number. In general language, real number is the set of rational and irrational numbers. रियल नंबर को डिस्कस करने से पहले हम लोग कुछ नंबर सिस्टम्स के बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स को हम लोग देखते हैं. मीन्स डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ नंबर्स. लास्ट क्लास में ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे हम लोग देख चुके हैं नेचुरल नंबर, होल नंबर, इंटीजर्स, रेशनल नंबर. तो अगेन वी विल डिफाइन योरसेल्फ. व्हाट इज अ नेचुरल नंबर? नेचुरल नंबर, all counting number is called natural number. The smallest natural number is 0. Next, whole number. The natural number together with 0 is called whole number. Its smallest whole number is 0. Integer. The negative of natural number together with whole number is called integers. Rational number. The numbers which can be represented by P by Q form. Means the number which are in the form of P by Q is called rational number. Means all the integers can be represented by a rational number. Means in the form of P by Q. But denominator should not be 0. You can see the definition of different types of number. In the number system, you can see here in the number line, integers is represented here. Natural number, it is denoted by a capital N. Whole number, it is denoted by capital W. Integers, it is represented by Z or capital I also. Rational number, all the numbers which can be written in the form of P by Q, where Q not equal to 0, is called rational number. Irrational number, the number which is neither terminating nor recurring. और जनरली अगर अपने लैंग्वेज में देखें तो इरेशनल नंबर विच कैन नॉट बी रिप्रेजेंटेड इन द रेशनल फॉर्म इज कॉल्ड इरेशनल नंबर. तो आगे हम लोग इसको डेप्थ में देखेंगे. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द रेशनल एंड इरेशनल नंबर. क्लास 8 में ऑलरेडी हम लोग पढ़ चुके हैं रेशनल नंबर के बारे में. हाउ टू रिप्रेजेंट द रेशनल नंबर इन द नंबर लाइन एंड व्हाट आर द टाइप्स ऑफ रेशनल नंबर. यू कैन सी हियर ऑल द इंटीजर्स आर हियर 1, 0, -2. It can be represented as a rational number 1 by 1, 0 by 1, -2 by 1. Here 3 by 4 is also a rational number. It is not a integer. It is not an integer. It is a rational form. You can see here. This is a number line. Integers on the number line. And next you have to represent the rational number on the number line. You can see here the number, rational number 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 8 by 3 represent on the number line. So first of all you will draw the number line in which you will represent on the midpoint, you will represent the 0 on the midpoint. right side of the 0 it is represented by positive number and left side of the 0 is represented by negative number. So this is a number line of the integers. Suppose you have to represent 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 means 1 can be represented by 3 by 3. So denominator is 3. So 0 to 1 you can divide the 1 into 3 parts. This is 1, 2, 3. Means first part is 1 by 3, second part is 2 by 3 and third part is 3 by 3 means 1. Similarly 5 by 3 को भी represent करेंगे. 5 by 3 it is more than 1. So it will lie between 1 and 2, 5 by 3. There also you can divide it into 3 parts, 1, 2, 3. So after 1 is 3 by 3. So after 1 it will be 4 by 3. Then 5 by 3. Then 6 by 3. 6 by 3 means it is represented by 2. Similarly 8 by 3 you can represent on the number line. If you have any confusion then you can ask me on the WhatsApp number. It is clear? Similarly you have to try show the numbers 7 by 3, 11 by 3, minus 2 by 3 on the number line. And next question also you have to do. You have to represent the numbers on the number line. Rational number. Minus 3 by 5, 2 by 5, 8 by 5, 12 by 5 on the number line. Next, equivalent rational number. So then equivalent rational number, you know, any rational number you will multiply by natural number, and then it can be represented as a equivalent rational number. Suppose minus 1 is given, it can be multiplied by 2 by 2, then it can be represented by minus 2 by 2. Their equivalent number, again you will multiply by 2 in numerator and denominator. It will be minus 4 by 2. So this is called equivalent rational number. Okay? I think concept of equivalent rational number is clear. Now you have to find out how many integers lie between 5 and 15. How many integers? So generally we will find out, means between two numbers we can find infinite numbers. So suppose here 5 and 15 is given. Question is given how many integers lie between 5 and 15. So you can write infinite numbers you can find between two any numbers. To any rational number or irrational number. How many integers lie between minus 3 and 8? To infinite numbers. Okay? So students, you have to try this question, whatever given in the chapter. Next, we will discuss about the irrational number. तो irrational number को डिस्कस करने से पहले हम लोग पढ़ते हैं रेशनल नंबर के बारे में. रेशनल नंबर ऑल्सो कैन बी रिप्रेजेंटेड इनटू डेसिमल फॉर्म. किसी भी रेशनल नंबर को हम लोग डेसिमल टर्म्स में उसको रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. You will divide the numerator by denominator, then you can represent the number into decimal form, decimal fraction. Okay, let's see try this question here given. Find any 5 rational number between 2 by 7 and 4 by 7. So how to find 2 by 7 and 4 by 7? You have to find 5 rational number. You can see here, this is a like term or unlike. If it has a like term, 2 by 7 and 4 by 7, because denominator is same, and you have to find 5 rational number. So 2 by 7, you will multiply by 2 by 7 by 6 in numerator and denominator. Means you have to find the equivalent fraction by multiplying any number. तो यहाँ पे 5 रेशनल नंबर फाइंड करना है, इसलिए मैंने यहाँ पे 6 से मल्टीप्लाई किया. तो व्हाट विल बी दिस? इट विल बी 12 by 42. And next number is given 4 by 7. So there also you will multiply by 6. What will be number? 4 6 is 24, 7 6 is 42. So you can see here many numbers you can find between 12 to 24. So you have to write only 5 rational number between them. You can write 13 by 42, 14 by 42, 15 by 42, 16 by 42, 17 by 42. Is it clear? Now you can multiply or check by 3, by 4, by 5 also. Means you have to write the equivalent fraction, and then by comparing the numerator you can find the rational number between them. Okay. Suppose next number is given, question number 2. Find 3 rational number between 1 upon 5 and 1 upon 7. So you can see here, this is a like fraction or unlike rational number. So first of all you will change into like fraction. This is 1 upon 5 and this is 1 upon 7. So LCM of 5 and 7, it will be 35. So then you will multiply by 7 of first rational number. It will be 7 by 35, and next number you will multiply by 5, and then it will be 5 by 35. So then it is a like fraction, but you have to find 3 rational number. So you can compare here, this is 7, this is 5. So between 5 and 7, how many rational number is here? Only one, 6 upon 35. So now you have to find 3 rational number. So then again you will multiply by 2 in numerator and denominator. So what will be this? 14 upon I am writing here 14 upon 70, and there also you will multiply by 2. It will be 10 upon 70. So you can compare the numbers between 10 and 14. How many numbers are like 11, 12, 13? So then you can write three rational number between 1/5 and 1/7, it will be 11/70, 12/70 and 13/70. But by the process you have to write the solution of question number 2. First you have to change the rational number into like form, and then you have to compare. If it is lesser, then you can multiply by any counting number, by 2, by 3, and then you can find 3 or 5 or 11, any rational number between the given fraction or rational number between two numbers. It is clear? So now question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, try this and complete in your notebook. Okay? I think this concept is clear. Everybody understood? You have to read now properties of whole number, integer, and rational number and irrational number. Okay students, goodbye. Next we will discuss the decimal number like terminating, non-terminating, rational number or decimal, about the decimal number in the next class. And irrational number also we will discuss in the next class. Okay, goodbye students. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.